All right, hello guys. Today what we're going to be doing is we're going to take an exponential form expression here and we're going to convert it into a rational form. So now rational form, like we convert to a fraction or maybe a whole number here. Okay, so what you have to understand is that radicals can be written in exponential form. So for example, if I say the square root of 4, this can be written as 4 here, and this square root can be written as an exponent, okay? 1/2, right? So this is 1/2. So 4 to the half power is the same thing as the square root of 4. Now, if I had something like this, for example, 4 over to the third power inside that square root, that will be written as, remember, this is a half, right? Right. However, I'm going to put parentheses here because remember there's a third power inside. Now, if you remember the raising a power to the power rule, if you don't know that, I'll be putting up a video on regarding that later on. But in the power to power rule, it's you multiply. So a half times 3 is 4 to the 3/2 power. Okay, so you have to kind of understand stuff like that to make this work. So let's go back here. So here we have 16 to the 3/2 power. Now let me write this like that. I'm going to write 16, okay, to the half power. Okay, because this 3/2, you see this 3/2 here? This 3/2 is actually there's 3 1/2s. Okay, so there's 3 1/2s here. All right. So 3 1/2s, which means that there's a 3 out here. Okay. So remember, this is the power to the power. 3 times a half is 3/2. 3 times 1/2. We go back to elementary, multiplying fractions. 3 times 1 is 3. 2 times 1 is 2. Right here as a sign. Look. All right. So now here I'm kind of split it up here. Now we're going to continue. Remember, we want to convert it to a rational form, meaning that it's a fraction or a whole number. Okay. So remember 16 to the half power. Remember here, if we go back to our example, 4 to the half power is root 4. So 16 to the half power means it's root 16. Mhm. So many ways to do this. Okay, so and we still have that 3. Now remember the square root of 16. This is call what you call a perfect square. Okay, square root of 16 is 4. Okay, square root of 16 is 4. Now you still have that 3. All right, so now we still have one more step to do, which is 4 to the third power. 4 to the third power, 64. So this example here, this is a whole number. So we took a expression, right? An exponential, fractional exponential form expression and convert it into a rational number, 64. 64 is a rational number. Rational numbers are all numbers. Okay. So this is it for that. If you guys have any questions, hope you like the video. Please remember, if you see this video, like it, subscribe it, share it, post it. Okay, there'll be more videos like this. This is and putting up different ways of describing how to solve different problems. Thank you guys for watching and post some comments if you have any questions.